Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a pet rock.
Before we start, here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. We start with a little shape of our rock, and you could change it any way you want. You can make your rock super tall or really wide, and you could even give your little rock a pet rock. That would be awesome.
That would be.
We used our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. Let's draw the shape of a rock, and you could change the shape too. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. I'm going to draw the top of my rock first. So I'm going to draw it curving up, over, and down. It's going to be a little round river rock. And then we could draw the bottom of the rock. I'm going to drop more flat, and then curve up and connect. And kind of has a little corner over here. That's it. We did it. We finished our pet rock. Except we still need to color it. This part we'll fast forward. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
There's our rock. It's all colored in and it looks amazing. Well, we could add more stuff to it, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's use a darker gray and we can add little texture bumps. So I'm gonna add circles. Some of them are small and we'll mix them up. So they're not all the same. Little spots on our river rock, or pet rock. So I'm gonna spread them around, and also you could put them up here too. But I'm leaving the middle open because we're gonna add a funny face. We have to.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I think we should add the funny face next. Let's draw a smile, and our art friends could change the funny face. It doesn't have to be the same. And I'm gonna draw it coming way down like this. And I'll keep going, and we'll connect it up here. And then I'm gonna add teeth too, and a tongue. Then let's color in the middle shape. Next, we can add a circle for one eye and the same size circle for another eye. And we could draw smaller circles for the highlight and then color in the big circle. Next, I'm going to use a paint marker to make the teeth white. You could leave this part off and just color it in black since we already colored gray. But there's our white teeth. And also I'm going to add a little white highlight inside the eyes. What should we add next?
Some arms.
Okay, let's do it. I'm going to draw them raised up. Our pet rock is super happy. And let's color those in gray too. All right, we did it. We finished our little pet rock. It looks awesome, except I think we should add more things.
Yeah, like a background.
Yeah, oh, and we could also add one other thing, maybe a hat or some food or a bow. Now this part we're gonna speed up because I wanna challenge you to draw something different than what we're drawing. You could maybe draw your rock underwater and it could have some goggles and a snorkel, or it could be flying through the air. It's up to you. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it. We finished coloring our little pet rocks and adding extra details. And I especially love yours with the little bow and the eyelashes.
Thanks. I love your hat.
Ah, it looks like me. It's even bold. You can pause the video to use our drawings as inspiration, or you can add whatever you want. You can even add more of a background.
And more pet rocks.
Yes, that would make it perfect.
We hope you had fun drawing a pet rock.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.